Hey there, side hustlers! Before I dive into today's awesome money-making tip, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm always sharing the latest ways to earn extra cash online, and you don't want to miss out. Alright, let's get into it. Have you ever wished you could make money just by doing quick, simple tasks online? Well, I found a site that actually pays you. Lootup. This is one of my favorite GPT sites because it's super easy to use and the rewards are real. Here's the deal. Lootup will reward you for all kinds of micro-tasks. We're talking high-paying surveys, completing offers, watching videos, even playing games and shopping online for cashback. There's also a daily loot chest you can open for free rewards, weekly and monthly contests, plus regular giveaways. If you have a few minutes to spare each day, you can be earning a little extra cash, right from your phone or laptop. Speaking of mobile, Lootup has an app in the Android store with over 1 million downloads and a 4.5-star rating from more than 40,000 reviews. That's pretty solid social proof if you ask me. So, how does it all work? Step 1 is simple. Create your free Lootup account. There's no cost to join, and you get instant access to all the earning opportunities. Next, you can start sharing your opinions, playing games, completing offers, watching videos, shopping for cashback, joining giveaways, and more. There's something for everyone, whether you want to zone out with a few surveys or challenge yourself in the latest contests. And here's what I really love. You can cash out starting at just $1. No waiting around forever to hit some impossible payout limit. Lootup lets you redeem your rewards for PayPal Cash, a huge variety of gift cards, or even cryptocurrency via BitPay. Total flexibility, and you get your earnings fast. If you're already using other GPT sites, this one's a great addition with its low payout threshold and frequent contests. Plus, I've found the offers and surveys here actually pay a bit more than average. So, if you're looking for a simple way to make extra money online, whether you have a few minutes or a whole afternoon, give Lootup a try. I'd love to hear what you think and if you've tried any other sites like this. So drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a new way to earn online. See you in the next one.